Question number, the topic number 3.3, cumulative frequency diagram or curve. Cumulative frequency curve is drawn by plotting cumulative frequencies against upper class boundaries and then joining points with a smooth curve. We'll discuss example now. If we join a point with a line, then it's going to be a polygon. Then it's going to be a frequency polygon. Now this is frequency curve. Before that, the objective of this curve is to find and estimate values for median and quartiles. So we are going to do that now. You are used to this table now. I believe we have a class interval and the frequency. Now we'll write the cumulative frequency. So starting from 4, 11, 11 7, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 4, 26, 26 plus 33, 6 plus 3, 9, 59, and 59 plus 76, 17, 76 plus 4, 80. Now we are going to draw a curve, and the y-axis is going to be the frequency and the x-axis is going to be the upper boundary uh, of the values. It means we are taking 4.8 versus 4. So this is the coordinate 4.8 and 4. And then 5, 5 and 11. 5 and 11. And likewise 5.2 and 26. And 5.4 and 59. And 5.6 and 76. And 4 and 80. What is the starting point? When starting value is this one, 4.6. When at 4.6, any value 0. The cumulative frequency at 4.60. Actually, this is not 480, this is 5.880. And now we can plot the graph. The graph area is starting from 4.6 to 5.8. So basically we can start from 4 to 6. So this axis has to be from 4 to 6. Let's say 4, 5, 6. Let me draw the curve. Now I draw the x-axis and the cumulative frequency f-axis, which is x and f. And I use this symbol because I don't want to write from 0. So we use this kind of symbol. If you want to void 0, 1, 2, 3, the previous numbers. Now I want to start from first one, 4.60. So this is, I'll put across 4.60, 4.60. Usually we put a cross because the different point is a place where two line crosses. So this is the idea behind it. But with some places we put dot and a circle, but it depends on the situation. And and the textbook. And the other one is 4.8 somewhere here. So this is 4.8 line, and then 4 4.84. So it's going to be somewhere here. So this is 1 point, and the other one 5 to 11. So when it is 5, very closer point. So this is going to be 11 somewhere here, and then 5.2 to 5.2, that is going to be 26. 5.2 26. So 5.2, so it is going to be 26 somewhere here, and then 5.4 59. So 5.4 somewhere here, and 59. This is the place, and then 5.6. It's going to be 76. 75. So this is the curve, and 5.8. 5.8 is going to be 80. And then if we draw this with a line, it's going to be a polygon. Instead of that, we are doing a smooth curve. Like this. Now this is cumulative frequency diagram or curve. Now let's see that how we calculate the median. So we can calculate the median. 80 we know to find the term, n divided by 2. So 80 divided by 2, 40th. 40th term is the median. So then you can, how can you find, so those are the terms. Frequency, cumulative frequency. We can write cumulative frequency. So those are terms. So I need which term? 40th term. This is the 40th term. So I am going to find the value belongs to 40th term. So I'll draw like this 90 degrees line, and then I draw another 90 degrees line to this one from that point, and then I read this value. Now this is going to be the median. So approximately you will get 5.3. So median value is 5.3. Now let's calculate the quartile, first quartile. First quartile Q1 in n divided by 4. 80 divided by 4, which is 20th term. So what is 20th term? This is 20th. Then it's going to be somewhere here. So this is the value for that, this value. So this is 5. So this is 5. 5 is going to be here. So this value is going to be 5.15 around. So 5.15. So Q1 is 5.15. Now we can find Q2. Q2 we found out medium. Q3. N divided by 4 multiplied by 3. It means 20 times 3. 60th term. So 60th term is here. We didn't get 60th term. Or 59th we have. It is above. It should be above this value. It should be above 5.4. That is about 5.45. I guess a value for this one. By looking at it, actually it may be different bit. And then assume we want to find the 90th percentile, P90. So we can divide n divided by 100 multiply by 90. This term is going to be 70 second term. So then we'll find 70 second. This is 70 and somewhere here. So then when you draw like this, you will get a value. So that value P90 is 5.52. Now you can see in the book, this is the example number 4. So in the book, so you can see the exact graph, and now we need to do the part A is draw cumulative frequency diagram, B estimate the median, estimate the lower quartile and 90th percentile, and draw a box plot. Now next term is we are going to draw a box plot from here. So we have yeah, we'll do it. I changed this quartile value to 5.41. In the book you can see that around they put 5.4. 5.4 is 59, so just little bit, it has to be little value more than 5.5 because we are looking at 60th value. 59th is 5.4. 60th should be a bit more than this value. I plotted the box plot. So starting point is 4.6, the lower boundary of the first class interval, and the maximum is upper boundary of last class interval 5.8, 5.8, and this is first quartile 515 and Q3 5.41, and then yes, we're done. And height of the graphs, you can see that the precise one in example number 4. We'll discuss now exercise 3C. Now before that, if we connect this graph with the line, then it is a polygon. Cumulative frequency polygon. This is, so we did previously curve.